Hi, it's Chris. In this guitar lesson, we're learning Friends by Anne-Marie. If you're finding these songs tough, then check out the other video. And if you do enjoy this lesson, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification setting. Friends goes like this. I'll play it once, full speed, and then slow speed, and then we'll go through it together. So to begin with, we play an A minor chord, 1 on the second string, then fret 2 on strings 3 and 4, open string 5. We're going to play this chord like an arpeggio, meaning that we play with the strings of the chord separately. So it's string 5, 4, 3, and 2. Then we're going to deaden the sound by placing the palm of our hand or our hand on the strings. Then we do a C major chord. Simply take your third finger, place it on the 3rd fret, and then repeat the same string sequence. Then we have an F. It's pretty much an F bar chord, which can be tough. So it's the 1st fret on string 6 at the top, then 3rd finger, 3rd fret on this next string down, string 5, and then pinky finger on the string below that, 3rd fret, and then 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, and then we play from the top down to the 3rd string. The last thing to do is to bar the 3rd fret on strings 1 and 2. Barring just simply means pressing multiple strings. Then 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the 1st string. We play these together. Keep your 1st finger on the 3rd fret and then slide your 3rd finger down to the 4th fret, or use your 2nd finger.